You won't believe what this AI bot has done in these past few days. The results are insane. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with artificial intelligence for free and how to choose the best bot. No special skills, no previous experience, and no large investments needed. Just relax, follow its simple instructions, that's it. Now, we're ready to kick things off. By the way, this bot has already brought me 1.3 million. And I'm not the only one. You can check out the reviews from people who've tried it and seen amazing results on my Telegram. If you want to be part of this success, I've left a link to the bot in the descriptions and in the first pinned comment. I can even help you to get everything set up so you can start using it today. Just don't forget to enable notifications on Telegram and with the bot itself. 10 minutes before a session starts, the bot will notify you about the pairs it can predict. If you are ready to start, just click the big button at the bottom of the chart. If not, the bot won't bother you. It's designed to be polite and not flood you with unnecessary notifications. Each session takes just 7 minutes. That's it. 7 minutes and you could be holding a brand new phone. Let's get started. As you can see, today we're working with the following pairs. Our default settings are in place and we'll be using two powerful indicators to give us a clear view of the market. First, let's set up the Bollinger Bands. This indicator shows market volatility, helping us see when the price deviates from the average and may snap back. For clarity, we'll adjust the colors, so all lines are sharp and contrasting. They'll make any movement stand out clearly. We don't want to miss a single important detail. Now let's move on to ADX. This indicator will help us gauge the strength of the trend, showing how confidently the market is moving in the chosen direction. Once again, we'll set the colors to make the lines easy to distinguish. We need this to read the situation quickly, especially when the chart gets busy. Great! We've got all the essential information ready. First up, we've got Australia and the US. They're trending down at the moment. I'm expecting them to hit their support, and with the Bollinger Bands expanding, it confirms the movement. Everything's aligning. It's all on point. Great start. Alright, now let's talk about some key factors when choosing an AI bot. The first factor is reviews. You probably won't be the first user, so always check the reviews. Look for real photos, videos, and genuine people. A developer can promise anything, but if there are no reviews, the bot might not be as effective as they claim. I love sharing my subscribers' success stories. Pictures of their vacations, messages about quitting jobs they hate. It's amazing to see. Now the bot is suggesting we switch to the European and Japanese markets. No reason to doubt it. I've been watching the chart. It's been trending upwards steadily. After a short break, it looks like they're gaining momentum again. They're moving within their channel, and I'm sure they'll keep pushing upwards. Everything worked as expected, and the pairs continued their upward trend. Let's keep going. The second key factor is the reliability of developer. Always check who's behind the bot. Sometimes you may come across a program built by people who aren't experts in trading. Don't expect great results from those bots. Always research the developer's reputation and track record. If it's questionable, don't take the risk. The bot probably won't perform well, and you might not get any support either. When my team and I spent 9 months developing this bot, we tested and analyzed everything so that I could be 100% confident in it. We've had only top-tier professionals on the team. I've been trading for 8 years, and over 8,000 people on my Telegram channel trust me. That's why the reputation is crucial to us, and we couldn't have this bot to be a flop. Here's the next notifications from the bot. I don't really have time to analyze it, so I followed the lead. It's essential not to sit around and wait. When the bot sends a signal, act on it immediately. It makes decisions in real time, so you need to trust it. Once you've entered the trade, you've got about a minute or so to analyze its actions. Looking at the chart now, interesting. The downward trend is weakening, and there are fewer red candles. The bot is anticipating a reversal and growth. As expected, everything's going exactly as it should. Let's see what's up next. The chart shows a steady downward trend, but the correction phase has ended. The bot suggests the downward movement will continue. It seems pretty obvious. Another key factor when choosing a trading bot is its trades history. It's important to review its track record and understand its performance. If that history is not available for the public, it's a red flag. Developer confident in their bot won't have anything to hide. Hey, while you're just watching YouTube videos, over 1,000 people on my Telegram channel are already taking advantage of bot's recommendations. The bot analyzes thousands of factors and provides signals with 91.3% accuracy. You can hop into my Telegram and see for yourself that this isn't another fake AI gimmick. I record all sessions and show how each subscriber makes an average of 700 in 2 sessions per day. The bot is currently free, so don't miss your chance to get started. The link is in the description and pinned comment. All good here? Let's continue. Now, back to Australia and the US. After a long downtrend, they've finally slowed and we're seeing an engulfing candle. The bot is predicting an upward correction. Just 2 more trades left. This pair again. They've reached a key resistance level, and based on the bot's recommendation, they're expected to break through it and push beyond the indicator's limits. We're ready for a strong upward move. My creation didn't disappoint. Another successful trade. When choosing a bot, the 4th crucial factor is the level of developer support. Let's face it, starting something new is always easier when you have help. Whether it is setting up the platform or learning how to use it, support is essential. Just yesterday, my team helped someone install a trading app on their phone so they could join the sessions. And we do this for free. We don't benefit from the bot itself. Our income comes from the stock market. So always ask questions and seek support, especially when you're just getting started. That's why our team is always ready to assist beginners. Every day we work on improving the bot, making it so simple that even a child could use it. All you need to do is follow the link in the description, access the bot through Telegram, and from there, it's pretty straightforward. The bot guides you step by step, and you simply follow along. Got it? If you have any questions, feel free to message me directly on Telegram. I'm always here to help. And finally, the bot suggests returning to this pair. The correction has ended and the trend is picking up momentum again. They'll go on moving upwards. Ah, what a great finish. Now, the big question. Should you start using AI in trading? My honest answer is yes. Our AI bot is an excellent choice, even if you have no prior skills, because it does all the work for you. You just need to test it out and decide. Over 1,000 people on my Telegram channel are already using the bot and sharing their results. It's incredibly motivating. They're able to trade while balancing life, work, or even making trading their main hobby. And the best part is, you can check it out and test it right now. The link to my Telegram is in the description and pinned comment. See you there.